you creatives, I'm Rita Bearcat and I'm a mixed media artist. Welcome and thank you so much for checking out this video. If you're just joining for the first time, this is day 19 of 30 days of art challenges. I sent out 30 challenges, art challenges to my subscribers, and I decided that I would do mine here on YouTube and do them in my art journal. And I'm going to add a link below if you would like to have those 30 art challenges sent to your inbox, and I will send them out to you. But today is day 19, and today I started with a page that already has some background on the page, because sometimes when I'm working and I have a lot of paint left over, instead of wiping it on a towel or just rinsing it off and wasting all that paint, I go ahead and put it on another blank art journal page. And so I have several art journals going at once so that I can always wipe off my brushes and stuff in those art journals. And so I always have pages that, you know, some of them have a background. So that way, if I don't have a lot of time, I can at least do a little something and maybe start with a page that already has color on it. And that's what I'm doing today. So I pulled these flowers. These are the round flowers that I have in the shop, and it comes in a little kit with the 2 large flowers, 2 small flowers, 4 circles, and the leaves. And I thought that this would make a really cute decoration for the page there. And I already have one side done, and so I'm going ahead and painting this set so that we can do the other side. Now for each flower and each leaf that I'm painting, I'm using 2 different colors on one wide paintbrush. And that way I'm not mixing the colors together, except for I'm mixing them directly on the canvas so that you get that two-tone kind of look that you see there. Super fun and super easy to do. Now these little canvas pieces, sometimes they curl up, but it's okay. You can just bend them right back into place. And I do the backs because I like to put the adhesive in the center so that the edges kind of pop up a little bit so it looks more 3D and not totally flat. So I'm not gluing them down totally flat. I'm going to glue them sticking up a little bit. So here's the background that I had already done, and I already have 3 flowers already ready to go. And now we're just going to use a little bit of Eileen's tacky glue to adhere those flowers onto the page. You have to hold it down for a few minutes, but it's pretty quick. I've also found that Beacon's Fabri-Tac works really well as well. This just happens to be the one that I grabbed. So once I knew where my flowers were going to go, I'm just adding adhesive to the center so that the edges pop up. And now I'm adding some stems by putting the glue down and then putting some fibers. I don't know if they're ribbon or fibers because it's pretty thick. Almost like a pipe cleaner material, but without the wire. And I thought it would make a really good stem, and it did. I think it looks really good. And now just adding my finishing touches by putting the leaves on. So I'm just adding a little more glue just to make sure that everything's sticking in the right place. It's looking pretty good. And another reason why I like to paint the backs is because I do like it when sometimes it hangs off the edge. And then that way when you're on another page, you're still seeing color and not something blank, like you forgot to paint it or something. Perfect. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, you can hit that like button, and you could subscribe to my channel so that you can see the other videos. Don't forget about the link below where I can send those 30 art challenges into your inbox. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.